Hi students, now we will discuss about discovery of protons. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. The name of proton was suggested by Rutherford. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. The name of proton was suggested by Rutherford. Okay. So proton was discovered by Goldstein by using modified cathode ray discharge tube. Modified cathode ray discharge tube. Modified cathode ray discharge tube. Modified means same tube but only one difference. In cathode ray discharge tube we filled with any gas, but in modified cathode ray discharge tube we filled with only hydrogen gas. It is filled with only hydrogen gas. So it is modified cathode ray discharge tube. So it is cathode it is anode plus, cathode minus, anode plus. So these are connected to battery. Okay, here we use vacuum pump. What is the use of vacuum pump? We can adjust the pressure inside the tube. So the pressure is 0.01 mmHg, low pressure, and high voltage 10,000 volts, high voltage. So modified cathode ray discharge tube means this tube is filled with only hydrogen gas. Why we use hydrogen gas? Proton means 1 unit positive charge. Proton means 1 unit positive charge. 1 unit positive charge is called proton. For example, this tube is filled with any other gas. For example, it is filled with lithium. It is filled with lithium. By using high voltage, lithium lose electrons. It is lose electrons. Lithium, how many electrons total? 3 electrons. For example, it loses 1 electron. It converts to Li plus 2 and electrons. Li plus 2 and electrons. Means this tube contains Li plus 2 and electrons. There is no proton. Proton means only 1 unit positive charge. That is called proton. For example, lithium, by losing 2 electrons, it converts to Li plus, but it is impossible. Hydrogen plus, H plus is called proton. Why you use hydrogen gas? By losing 1 electron, there is only H plus. This complete tube is filled with H plus ions by losing 1 electron. That's why this tube is filled with hydrogen gas. This tube is filled with H2 gas. Hydrogen gas contains 1 electron, 1 proton, no neutrons. By applying 10,000 volts, it converts to H plus. Already you know H plus is called proton. H plus is called proton. So this tube is filled with hydrogen gas. It is under the influence of 10,000 volts. It loses 1 electron. H plus, H plus, H plus, H plus. By losing 1 electron, it converts to H plus. Electron, 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 electron. This tube contains electrons and H plus ions. So here negative charge, hydrogen, positive charge. H plus move towards cathode because opposite direction. Electrons move towards anode because opposite direction. So in previous class cathode ray generated from cathode, but protons are called as anode rays. These are called as anode rays. Cathode rays generate from cathode, but anode rays does not generate from anode. These are generated from holes of cathode. These are called as holes of cathode. Holes of cathode. That's why these are called as canal rays. That's why these are called as canal rays. Cathode rays generated from cathode, but anode rays does not generate from anode. These are generated from holes of cathode. That's why these are called as canal rays. The nature of cathode rays does not depends on nature of the gas or nature of electrodes, but here nature of gas, nature of electrodes depends on nature of gas, but in cathode rays does not depends on gas. We take any gas, but here we filled with only hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Why we take hydrogen gas? Hydrogen contains one electron, one proton. By losing one electron, it converts to protons. Protons are generated from holes of cathode. That's why these are called as canal rays. Okay. So this is discovery of proton. In presence of negative charge, scientists suggested that there must be some positive charge because whole atom must be neutral. That's why he discovered proton. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. The name of proton was suggested by Rutherford. Modified cathode ray discharge tube. What is modified cathode ray discharge tube? Means this tube is filled with only hydrogen gas. In cathode ray discharge tube, we filled with any gas. Okay. So whole atom must be neutral. Means charge of electron -1, charge of proton +1. Or charge of electron minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Similarly, charge of proton plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Charge of proton. Charge of proton is plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Because whole atom must be neutral, or plus 4.8 into 10 power minus 10 ESU, electrostatic units. Already we know one electrostatic unit is equal to 3.35 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. Already you know. Charge of proton is plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Mass of proton. Mass of proton is 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 kgs or 1.00727 atomic mass units. It is mass of proton. We know charge of proton and we know the mass of proton. What is charge to mass ratio of proton? Charge to mass ratio of proton is 9.5 into 10 power 7 coulombs per kg. This is about discovery of proton. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. The name of proton was suggested by Rutherford. He used modified cathode ray discharge tube. Modified cathode ray discharge tube means this tube is filled with only hydrogen gas. In cathode ray discharge tube, we filled any gas, but here only hydrogen gas. So, in presence of negative charge, there must be some positive charge because whole atom must be neutral. That's why charge of proton is only magnitude different, but it is similar to electrons. What is the charge? Plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs or plus 4.8 into 10 power minus 10 ESU, electrostatic units. Mass of proton is 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 kgs or 1.00727 atomic mass units. Charge to mass ratio of proton is 9.5 into 10 power 7 coulombs per kg. It is the discovery of proton. Next, discovery of neutron. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Very simple, there is no experiment. James Chadwick. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. How he discovered? High speed alpha particles or helium particles bombarded with beryllium leaf 4 9, atomic number 4, mass number 1 9. Then he get C612, carbon 612. So 2 plus 4 6, carbon 6. Next 9 plus 4 13, here 12. Remaining one is neutral particle 0 1. Neutron, there is no charge. Neutron means neutral. Neutron means neutral, no charge. Only mass. Only mass. So here 0 1, mass number 1, atomic number 0. So means there is no charge, no electrons, no protons, no charge. Okay, next, only mass. Mass of neutron is similar to mass of proton. Similar to means mass of neutron. Mass of neutron is 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kgs or 1.00865 atomic mass units. So it is discovery of neutron. So total 3 subatomic particles. Major subatomic particles 3. Electron, proton and neutron. Electron, proton and neutron. These are major subatomic particles. Discovery of subatomic particles completed. Atom is a very small part of molecule. This small part also contains some subatomic particles. So here one is completed. Which one? Discovery of subatomic particles completed. Next, how to arrange subatomic particles in a atom. So it is discovery of neutrons. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Neutron, neutral, no charge. It only mass. Mass of neutron is 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. Next, in atomic mass units, mass of neutron is 1.00865 atomic mass units.